Hey, what's up, everybody? Jason Golden, the Golden Realtor, inviting you to the next Golden Path to Home Ownership Homebuyer Workshop. It will be held in Addison, January 20th, which is a Saturday, starting promptly at 11 o'clock. Now, I read somewhere that home ownership is a journey and not a race. And yes, that is very true. But for every race and every journey, there needs to be preparation. And in this seminar, I will give you the information, the resources, and everything you need so that you're successful in your journey towards home ownership. We're going to talk about down payment assistance. We're going to talk about DTI, debt to income ratio. We're going to talk about how to qualify for a mortgage loan. We're going to talk about collections. Do you need to pay them off? Don't you need to pay them off? Which is very relevant because you actually do not have to pay off all your collections to qualify for a mortgage. And even some we don't even count. We're going to talk about down payment assistance. We're going to talk about actually what is the median price for homes in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, how much you need to earn to qualify for a mortgage, and so much more. You don't want to miss this great opportunity to equip you with everything you need for your journey. Again, Saturday, January 20th, starting promptly at 11 o'clock. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. You can register at goldenpathseminar.com. That's goldenpathseminar.com. And if you are not ready and you can't make it, it will be streamed live on webinar, but I prefer that you be here because I like to talk to people in person. Also, tell your neighbor, tell your friends, tell your colleagues, tell everyone they don't want to miss this opportunity. I look forward to seeing you there. See you later. Bye.